These are really great. I don't know, we found them in the other server from like the basic chest you get at the beginning, but you guys are destroying the
Oh my god! Oh my god! Steve, good job! Holy shit!
Okay, that's pretty cool. There is kind of... I don't want to say... How deep can I dig?
Hopefully I don't fucking die. Holy...
There's a grave right by our...
Oh, I got stumped by a tree! You
Are
coming,
you guys
Tom?
like...
You
Are you
coming,
in the
Tom?
snow?
Dude, we're
not anymore.
We're just jumping
I'm
off
coming.
mountains.
Oh.
He's fucking skiing! Holy shit! Tom, I'm coming.
This is literally just skiing, bro.
Bruh, this isn't... It's like playing a Plinko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't
Oh,
pass,
fuck.
please, devs.
Yeah, every time there's a new update
Oh,
in the
shit!
game, make a new
Oh
make a new
shit!
save and make sure this isn't patched.
You're both under your house now.
Well, one knows how to fucking navigate. Oh, yes! No. Yes!
Yo!
Okay, now I need him to just follow me. What the fuck?
What?
Okay,
What?
I'm just gonna save that.
Yo, Ethan. They
What?
got a name for you in the dictionary. Let me pull it up. Ah.
Oh.
Dumb bitch.
Holy.
They're up.
Don't go that way.
Bunker! It's the bunker, Jake! It's the bunker! He's got
Where is
tape!
it?
He's got tape! He's got
Right.
tape!
Holy.
I gotta...
Can you guys hang on? Wait a minute.
I-
wanna. Can you guys like push me on this?
Oh shit.
Oh.
That sounds. Wait.
And I see ya.
Wait, Jake. Jake.
Let's see if we can push you. Let's see if we can push you.
Zone.
Let's see if we can push you.
Oh shit!
Oh my
Oh,
god.
wait,
Fucking...
let's save.
Holy
Let's save.
shit. Fucking
Can we please
1
save?
FPS. Oh my.